For ESFJs, finding a career that lets you interact with others and create a peaceful environment is important. You do well in roles where you can organize, lead, and make sure everyone feels valued. It's crucial to choose a job where your attention to detail and ability to anticipate others' needs can stand out. From event planning to healthcare, bringing forth your natural skills can bring you great satisfaction and success. Let's talk about where an ESFJ might not thrive. Jobs with high isolation, overly competitive environments, or roles that lack personal interaction can drain your energy. Here are 3 specific jobs to reconsider. Data analyst. Spending hours alone, crunching numbers and analyzing large data sets, can feel impersonal and isolating for an ESFJ. The lack of human interaction and teamwork can be stifling. Corporate lawyer. Although this role does involve interaction, the competitive and often adversarial nature of the work can clash with an ESFJ's preference for harmony and cooperation. Software developer. While it involves problem solving, this role often requires long periods of solitary focus and minimal direct social interaction, which doesn't suit the ESFJ's need for personal connection. These roles often lack the human touch and collaboration that ESFJs thrive on, making them less ideal career paths. Now, let's talk about where ESFJs can not only succeed but also flourish. The best career choice for you combines your passions and lifestyle needs. Remember to consider your personal interests, the time you're willing to invest in education, and your life circumstances when choosing a career. For more details on specific career paths, growth opportunities, and salary potentials, visit the Bureau of Labor Statistics at bls.gov. Here are 10 careers for an ESFJ to consider. Human Resources Manager. ESFJs excel as human resources managers, using their empathy and organizational skills to shine. They mediate conflicts, organize training, and ensure policies are followed, creating a harmonious work environment. This role suits ESFJs as it allows them to foster a supportive and productive workplace. Social worker. Social work is a perfect fit for ESFJs due to their natural desire to help others. They assess client needs, provide counseling, and coordinate services to improve lives. This job presents new challenges daily, aligning with the ESFJ's core values of making a difference. Event planner. For ESFJs, being an event planner is ideal. They handle everything from weddings to corporate retreats, ensuring every detail is perfect. This role involves lots of interaction and problem solving, key elements that keep an ESFJ motivated. Customer Service Manager. Customer service managers oversee teams to ensure client satisfaction and resolve complaints quickly. ESFJs thrive in this role with their strong customer interaction, problem-solving skills, and ability to foster a positive team environment. Nurse. Nursing lets ESFJs care for others in a meaningful way. They manage patient care, offer emotional support, and work closely with families and medical staff. This role aligns perfectly with an ESFJ's compassionate and organized nature. Public Relations Specialist. As a public relations specialist, ESFJs use their communication skills to maintain relationships. They manage media relations, organize events, and handle crisis communication to ensure a positive public image. This dynamic field offers variety and immediate results from their efforts. Nonprofit director. An ESFJ can thrive as a nonprofit director, leading an organization towards social good. This role involves managing staff, developing programs, and ensuring the organization's goals are met. It combines organizational skills with a passion for making a meaningful difference. Elementary school teacher. Elementary school teachers create nurturing environments for young children, which suits ESFJs. They plan lessons, assess progress, and foster a warm, inclusive classroom. This career allows ESFJs to shape the next generation, aligning with their desire to make a positive impact. Corporate trainer. Corporate trainers develop and lead training programs to enhance employee skills. ESFJs excel in this role, interacting closely with others and facilitating group activities. It's a career that combines their love for structured environments with helping others grow professionally. Healthcare administrator. Healthcare administrators plan and coordinate medical services in hospitals or clinics. ESFJs use their organizational skills to improve healthcare quality and efficiency, ensuring patients receive the best care. This role is ideal for detail-oriented ESFJs, combining management with care. We've explored the top careers that match ESFJ strengths and values. Each of these roles offers a blend of interaction, structure, and impact, which are key elements for a satisfying career for an ESFJ. Now think about which of these resonates most with you. Where can you see yourself thriving and making a difference? For more insights into the ESFJ life, explore the resources linked in the video description. Feel free to check out our other ESFJ videos on the Personality Playbook channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you reach your full potential.